Hello, my name is Ben Janata, and this is the video demo of my network version of OmegaRaceX. Here is the opening menu screen. Right when you start up the game, this is what you see. These are the options. Quick, you can view controls. Escape to get out of there. Single player is here. We're not too concerned about that right now. So we're looking at the networking. So here, if you go to System Link, you can create sessions or find sessions. I'm going to start by creating one. And on my other machine, I'm going to find. Here I am. I'm ready to go, and I'm ready to go over here. So here it is. We're in the game. There we go. What I did there was just to change the network simulation to nothing, just to demonstrate the standard networking. Each machine controls its own ship locally. So right now I'm the blue ship. The host is always the blue ship, is always player 1. And if you're the guest, then your player 2 is the yellow ship. And so I'm controlling my own ship here. I'm not sending any, I'm not receiving any of my own data from the network, though I am sending it out so that the other machine can get it. I didn't have this like that originally because I was just sending everything over to do the data-driven queue. But as I wanted to do prediction, I was realizing that I needed some set of data that was real rather than something I was predicting off of. So I spent a lot of time refactoring it to do it this way. So let's play a little bit. Here's player 2, shoots me down. I respawn just like the game normally played. I can shoot player 2. Player 2 can suicide himself. Alright, let's get into some of the predicting stuff. What you saw there was a flip. If the data becomes too far out, then it just resets it to whatever was sent over the wire. And actually what's happening is I think my router here is having a bit of trouble. I've been noticing it hiccuping. I've even dropped a couple of sessions throughout the night, but that hasn't happened before, so I think it's got to do with my own router. So if you hit tab, you can change the network simulation. Now there's a 100 millisecond delay and 10% packet loss. The packet loss doesn't matter too much because I'm sending everything reliable in order. The reason I'm doing that is because I don't send too many packets per frame in the first place, so I figure the overhead isn't going to lose me that much. Let's go to 200. You can really see how it affects things. So now, if I fire a laser, you see how it's behind the ship. But if I turn prediction on by hitting insert, and this all has to be done on the host machine too. You can't change any of the network simulation on the guest machine. So now the laser fires mostly with the ship. You may notice that it's a bit jittery, although this isn't too bad. If I rotate a bunch though, but I can turn smoothing on and hit delete. Player 1 wins. About time that happens. Now what you saw there, the yellow ship was kind of still floating out there because each player has to individually hit enter once the player wins. Otherwise it stays stuck in that screen. You could either look at that as a bug or as a gameplay mechanic. I don't know which you want to count it as, but it could add a little bit of fun. Let's cycle through. Let's return to the lobby. If you hit escape, you get the pause menu, and that does go resume the game. If the other machine hits pause, the host machine hits pause, then both players get the pause screen. If the non-host machine hits pause, only the host doesn't get it. That's got to do with the way I'm reading the packets. It's some of the Boolean stuff I've going on is a little screwy, but it isn't too big of an issue. So we'll return to the lobby, and that goes back here. We can say we're ready to go again, and it starts up. Everything's moving off. So now let's end the session and log in as a guest. So I'll create a session on my other machine and find sessions here. And I want the other computer. It shows a 2 millisecond delay, although we can alter that. And I'm ready, and the host is ready. Caught myself there. So I'm controlling myself here. The way I did this was that player 1 uses W, A, and D to go forward, left, and right, and player 2 uses the arrow keys, and that's maintained even. I did that on single player just to get the controls easier to use, but that still applies over network games. So if you're the host machine, you've got to use W, A, and D, and if you're player 2, you have to use the arrow keys. So I'll leave the session, and that pretty much describes everything. Thanks for watching, and hopefully you liked it.